This video explains the existing default roles in the system and demonstrates how you can create a new, custom one. User roles are formed based on permissions that grant users different access and authorization rights within the application. These authorization rights convey different levels of access. Navigate to Users and then click on Roles and Permissions. Only the administrator can create new and manage existing user roles and permissions by default. The predefined roles in the system are Proctor, Instructor, Admin, and Student. The administrator has all permissions in the system, and by default, the only role that can create new and manage existing user roles and permissions. The instructors can manage their groups, pools, tests, and reports. However, they can only view the content managed by them. The proctor monitors the test-taking process, can view the tests assigned as proctors, and can follow the candidate's progress. The student can take tests, surveys, and training courses. Also, a student is allowed to view and print personal certificates. A role code is required for loading users through an Excel file. They link users in Excel files to the existing roles in the application. On the other hand, an external ID is used to synchronize user roles with other systems, such as the Agile Management tool. It is possible to modify the permissions of the system's default roles. Click on the three dots and pen icon to edit the role name, external ID, and description, and enable or disable permissions. Moreover, you can manage the role's access to predefined reports in this tab. When finished, click on the Update button to save changes. To create a new role and assign permissions, click here. Permissions allow roles to perform specific actions. Enter the role name, external ID, and optionally, a description. Then select the permissions and click on the Create button. Then you can delete roles by clicking on the bin icon. As with any table in the system, this one can be easily exported as Excel or PDF file.